So hello guys and welcome back to the Barca Hub. The Messi interview is finally out, so let us dig into what he said and what are the conclusions that we could make. So first of all, Messi said, "I'm not someone who talks a lot to the media. I prefer to talk more with people close to me. I don't concern myself with what people say. Everyone has their own opinions." Then he went on to say about the sad incident of Maradona. He said that Maradona's death, "I got the news from my father when I was at my home. I right away switched on the TV and started to know about everything. It was very sad because he is my inspiration." After that, Messi was asked who does he admires the most in the sporting field. He said, "I admire many athletes like Nadal in tennis, Cristiano Ronaldo in football, and many others." Then he said, "The two coaches I admire the most are Pep Guardiola and Luis Enrique. Those two are the greatest coaches I have played under. Pep's tactics and his way of understanding football is out of this world. I haven't talked with Pep recently, but we do talk a lot about various matters." Then Messi was asked who is he friends with in the dressing room. He said, "I get along with every player in the dressing room, but mainly with those who have been at the club for many years." Then he was also asked about his relationship with Antoine Griezmann. He said, "We share a very healthy relationships. Sometimes we go out and drink mate together." After that, Messi was asked that what does he think about Barcelona. He said, "Barcelona is my life. I have been here since I was 13. I grew up in the club and the city. I have lived here longer than in my country. I have learned everything here. I love Barcelona." After that, Messi was asked that how does it feel like to play in empty stadiums. He said, "It is horrible. It is not the same to come into the camp now and see no fans around you. It is really sad." Then he was asked about the tight schedule and how the crazy calendar works. He said, "No one really thinks about the athlete. It is seen more from an economic perspective than from a sporting perspective." Now coming on to the more important section of the interview, he was asked how is he feeling. He said, "Today I am okay. It took a while to come back to the normal, but now I am feeling well and I am eager to win each and every competition and trophy for the club." He said, "There were many things and many reasons because of which I was not feeling well, but now I am completely fine." Then he was asked about the clown. Yes, you guessed it right, it is Bartomeu. He said, "He deceived me in many ways. I prefer not to go into detail, but there were a lot of lies that were told to me in several years." Then he said, "I just wanted to get away. The president didn't let me and he tried to hurt me by leaking things about me. He tried to make me the bad guy in the movie." After that, Messi went on to speak about the famous burofax that was one of the main reasons why Bartomeu and his clown company was kicked out. Messi said, "I wanted to formalize things. I told the president so many times, but he refused to listen to me." He then said, "I knew that if we went to the court, we would have easily won the case. Not one, but many lawyers told me. But I didn't want it to leave my beloved club in this way." After that, Messi continued to attack Bartomeu. He said, "The departure of Suarez was crazy to me. How the things were done and how the whole system worked was really ridiculous. And Suarez left for free. He went to a team that was a direct rival in the La Liga." After that, Messi jokingly said, "I never referred to Bartomeu as Nobita, but many other players did." After that, Messi was asked a question that according to me is totally ridiculous. He was asked that does he influence the dressing room? Does he handle the dressing room? Does he influence the team selection and transfer market? Messi said that is far from reality. I have been hearing this for many years, both in Barcelona and in the Argentine national team. He said, "But it is not true. I don't choose which players will play. It is the coach's job and I let the coach do it." After that, he went on to praise Koeman. He said, "Koeman is doing a good job. He's improving the team slowly and gradually." After that, Messi said that the club is in a very difficult position. It is difficult for everyone and it is going to be very hard for us to be at the same level that we were some time back. He said signing of Neymar or any other player is extremely difficult because we have no money. That is why the new president has to be very, very smart. Talking about the new president, Messi said, I don't want to position myself with any presidential candidate. The president should be the one who could bring the old Barcelona back, who could win everything, and who could bring the old style of play that Barcelona used. After that, Messi was asked a question that we all wanted the answer for. He was asked, what is his future? Will he leave Barcelona? He said, I can't tell you about my future because even I don't know about it. This is what Messi literally said. He also said, I'm not negotiating with any club as a free agent. As I already told you, I have not made up my mind. Let us see how we play this season, and in the end of the season, I will decide what I have to do. Then Messi went on to speak about our next possible coach, Xavi. He was asked, if Xavi comes in, will you stay? Messi said, I don't know. We'll see what happens in June. So Messi was not ready to give away any sort of thing in this interview. After that, Messi said, if I leave, I will leave in the best possible way. Even after retirement, I want to be attached to my beloved club because Barcelona is bigger than anything. At last, Messi was asked what are his plans after retirement. Messi said, I still want to be attached to football after retirement, but not as a coach. I see myself more as a sporting director with Barcelona. So that was the complete interview from Messi, guys. Messi is the one who when speaks can demolish everything. He demolished every rumor about him. He demolished every speculation, and he also demolished Bartomeu again. Comment down your thoughts below that what do you think of Messi's words, and until next time, Visca el Barça.